Hello viewers, welcome to POC TV. Today we are going to see more tips and tricks in iMovie. We will be seeing a couple of important tips and tricks today. One is how to include graphics in your existing video and how to include another video in your existing video. So by clicking on this option, you will open your internal folders. So I'm going to take this graphic and this movie. So starting with this graphic, you see it is now inside our project. So I'm dragging and dropping this in the second timeline wherever you want. So when you place them, when you hover over this bar, you can see on the right preview pan just appearing and disappearing. So this is gonna hide the complete video of your existing video, but we don't want that to happen. So instead of this cutaway option, after you select this, change this to picture in picture. So by that way, your existing video will be fully visible and your picture is actually in a small position. Now you can change this position however you want to size it, and then change this position in the video wherever you need it. So if I move this, this will appear and disappear, but it is very fast. So what you can do, you can reduce this opacity. So if you want this to be appear fully, so you can basically do this by appearing fully. But if you want to reduce the opacity, you can use this. You see this small circle button here. You can slowly reduce that. So it basically reduce the opacity. You can see here. See, it's just going in a transparent mode and then it's getting darker slowly. In the preview pan, you can see the difference. So that's how you can do the add picture in picture, and then make sure your graphic is appearing on top of your window. So similarly, you can use any graphics in this location. For example, if you are the presenter of the video, you can say, this is my name and designation. You can keep them in this spot all the time. Similarly, I'm going to add video in that model. So I'm downloading the video from here, taking this video, dragging and dropping here in this part, and I'm saying, okay, I want only starting here. So if you see, this is actually overlapping this particular existing video completely. Cut away, and then you can change that to picture in picture. So now it become very, very small here. So you can drag to this spot and then to this spot. So when I play this, only the second part will be moving. You see, the previous video movement is there, but at the same time, you can see the other video movement is also there. So that's how you can do picture in picture. Similarly, in the picture in picture mode, you can do either graphics, which is this one, or video, which is this one. Now I'm gonna show you how the editing looks like. Welcome to POC TV. Look at the flashing here. To see more tips and tricks from iMovie. And you can see the existing video is visible, and also the other video which we have put on the right hand side corner is also visible. And you see it is moving. So both are playing at the same time. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you.